Well, hey there guys, today I got a Falcon Core. This is Falcon right there. It's going to be a best A Keyway. I got this core from JD. So JD, thanks for sending this out. I'm going to go ahead and start picking this lock because it's extremely difficult. I stuck the core in a best padlock. Go ahead and get zoomed out. I'll be using the bottom of the keyway tension, and I'll be using my SouthOrdMAX hook picks. Go ahead and rake everything out. Back of the keyway. Hopefully you guys can see that. I'm going to move the camera ever so slightly. Give you guys a better angle. What makes these so difficult to pick is they have two shear lines. They have a operating shear line, which will get the lock open, and a control shear line, which is used to take the core out of the lock. And that makes things pretty difficult to pick, because when you get some pins at the control and some pins at the operator shear line, you can't get anything to open. So you either gotta get them all to the opening shear line or all to the control shear line. And my battery light's flashing now, so this video may go dead. Oh, I got it, and my camera's dying. So there it is. Pick to control. I'm going to go ahead and yank this out. I was going to say I was varying my tension, so I'll get that out of there. There's the core, and it didn't come out with the tailpiece. So let's see if I can get this tailpiece. There's my tailpiece. Get this padlock opened. So glad I got this. There's the best padlock. I had it wrapped in paper towels because it is kind of greasy. So there it is. Picked open. JD, like I said, I'm super excited I got this on camera. So JD, thank you for sending this core out. There it is, guys. Pick to control. There's the core. There's the tailpiece. As always, thank you for watching, and you guys have a good one.